Karnool. I'm extremely overwhelmed to welcome you all to this inaugural function of FDP on robotics and control. And I'm happy to coordinate this 5 days workshop. On behalf of IIIT TDM Karnool, I welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ashish Datta from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kanpur. From his lectures in NPTEL and TechUp were very helpful in organizing the lectures for this workshop. We are very happy for his acceptance to be our chief guest for this occasion. Welcome, sir. I welcome our Honorable Director, Professor DVLN Somayajulu. His vision for our institute is shaping IIIT TDM Karnool in a better manner. I strongly believe under his guidance, we will establish IIIT TDM Karnool as one of the important research institute in the field of robotics. Welcome, sir. I welcome Dr. J. Krishnaya, the Head Department of Mechanical Engineering. His continuous encouragement to our faculties help us to realize such event. Welcome, sir. When I began to make arrangements for this program, I received help from various directions from our institute faculties. I thank them all, especially Dr. Ravindra, Dr. Murali, Dr. Iswaramurthy, Dr. Akhtar Khan, and Dr. Vipin Das. I also thank the external members, Professor Sugavasam from IIT Roorkee, Dr. Shantakumar Mohan from IIT Palakkad, and Dr. Srilakshmi from SVNIT for agreeing to deliver the lectures. I'm glad to welcome all our faculties for this occasion. Even before we plan to spread the word about this workshop, we have reached the maximum limitation of these participants. I thank and welcome all the participants who showed their interest in this workshop. I should not forget to mention the encouragement provided by AICTE to realize this event. In this regard, I would like to say a few words about ATAL program. AICTE has taken various quality initiatives to promote technical education in the country, which also includes enhanced impetus on development of the faculty teaching in the college across the country. The AICTE Training and Learning, in short ATAL, Academy is one of its initiatives which has been conducting various faculty development programs for imparting and upgrading faculty knowledge in thrust and emerging areas. Given the COVID-19 backdrop, this year 1,345 FDPs in various emerging fields are going to be conducted in online mode, and 27 such FDPs are starting today. To make this event run smoothly, I have started a Google Classroom which I have shared with the participants. Information about event, study materials, slides, etc. will be shared through that. If in case any of the participant has not registered in the Google Classroom, please do it. Successful completion of this workshop requires an evaluation procedure. Regarding this, an objective type question paper will be shared with the participants, and using Google form, your answers will be collected and evaluated. If you have any questions, we will have our discussion in the next session, which will start at 12 p.m. And once again, I welcome you all and have a happy learning. Next is the welcome address by our Honorable Director, Professor DVLN Somayajulu. Before I invite him for the welcome address, I would like to introduce him. Professor DVLN Somayajulu is having around 30 years of experience in the profession of teaching, research, consultancy and outreach activities at NIT Warangal. Currently, he is working as a director of IIIT TDM Karnool. Prior to joining this position, he served as a chair for MIT sponsored Project Electronics and ICT Academy established at NIT Warangal during 2015 to 2019, and also a professor of Computer Science and Engineering during 2006 to 2015. Under his leadership, the Academy has conducted 225 FDPs and workshops 30 MOUs with institutions and industries, 1 BOSMOL training in association with IITM, established 1 seminar hall, 2 interactive classrooms, meeting and office, and generated revenue of rupees 2.25 crores. Now I would like to invite our Honorable Director Professor DVLN Somayajulu to give the welcome address. Sir.
Yeah, thank you for your nice introduction. Good morning, everyone. I'm very much delighted to be part of the inaugural function of the Faculty Development Program on Robotics and Control organized by our institute. I am thankful to AICTE for sponsoring this program as part of ATAL training to faculty and students. On behalf of IIIT DM Kurnool fraternity, on my own behalf, I welcome our beloved chief guest, Professor Ashish Datta from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kanpur, for this inaugural function on robotics and control. Many of his students are contributing to this field from various reputed institutes all over the world. In fact, we are lucky to have with him today. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitation and accepting the invitation as a chief guest for today's event. IIIT DM Kurnool was established in 2015 as Institute of National Importance, and it is youngest among the 5 centrally funded IIITs in our country. As on date, the institute is offering 4 undergraduate programs in computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering, and 3 postgraduate programs in computer science and engineering with specialization in data analytics and decision sciences, electronic system design, and smart manufacturing. In addition, we are also offering PhD programs in all the departments, including the support department sciences. I'm happy to announce that all 5 proposals submitted from our institute were accepted by ATAL for conducting these programs in this academic year. I took over as director of this institute after serving professor of CSE and chair, as mentioned by our coordinator, and trained several faculty members with the support from MITI Government of India project. We are continuing to conduct the similar kind of FDPs and workshops with the same spirit and rigor. And at IIIT DM Kurnool, in the last 2 years, we have already organized more than 25 faculty development programs and workshops in the fields of information technology, mechanical, electronics, and outcome-based education and online learning. This FDP is the first program among the 5 ATAL programs sanctioned for this year. This is the first time our institute is conducting a workshop under the topic robotic and control. The field robotics is one of the important research field, and association with robotics is inevitable in our future industries. Unlike other fields, robotics demand interdisciplinary knowledge. Having this in mind, we have designed the curriculum of our program in a multidisciplinary manner. To enhance the association of our students with robotics, our institute has already signed MOU with Centillion Networks Private Limited in 2019. Along with them, our institute had organized a 2-day workshop for our students on aerial robotics. We are also planning to introduce a minor program in the area of robotics for the benefit of UG students. I believe in the near future, the minor program will emerge into a master's level program also. Recently, we have put an advertisement even for our PhD program. I would like to take this chance to announce that some of the research topics such as robotics and autonomous systems, under actuated robotics and soft robotics, etc. I believe after this FDP, you will be interested to do research in the domain of robotics by integrating the IT into it in a more systematic manner. Once again, I thank the chief guest with his rich, wide experience. Definitely, our participants will get an immense benefit from this, from his inaugural address, so that it is a motivational talk to all the attendees, and in fact also to our own faculty of mechanical engineering department to take it seriously, so that we can take some of his good directions for continuing the research culture in the field of robotics at our institute. Once again, I welcome everyone, and I wish all the participants to have great success in learning. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insightful speech. Now I would like to invite our HOD, Dr. J. Krishnaya, to introduce us the chief guest. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Maniprakash. It is my pleasure to introduce Professor Ashish Datta, Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. He has done his PhD from Japan University, Akita University of Japan, in the year of 2002. Prior to that, he briefly worked in Baba Atomic Center for nearly six years there. And after completing his PhD, he joined IIT Kharagpur in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and then started working towards robotics area. And he has implemented research activities like humanoid robotics, motion planning, leg and hand exoskeletons, intelligent control systems, brain-computer interface for rehabilitation robotics, etc. And he's a active member of professional bodies like Ministry. I mean, a task force of artificial intelligence for India's economy transformation by Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India. And he is also a member of Bureau of Indian Standards sections on production and automation systems and robotics during from the year 2017 onwards. He is also a member of Scientific Advisory Board of ISRO Chandrayaan-2 Lunar Mission, ISRO 2009. He is a Secretary of Robotic Society of India during 2011 to 2014 and 2014 to 2017. And he is also a member of IEEE, member of Japan Ergonomic Society, and he has received many awards from India and abroad, particularly Japanese Ministry of Science and Technology Scholarship for his research during 1998 to 2002. He is also editorial member of some journals like International Journal of Advanced Robotic Systems, International Journal of IEEE Sensors, IJRA, IJARS, Robotica, AMT, Humanoid Robotics, etc. And till now he has guided 8 PhD students, and 6 are in active mode now to be completed. And he has guided 45 MTech students and 24 groups of undergraduate students. With this short introduction to Professor Ashish Datta, I welcome him to take this session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, so now I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ashish Datta, to give an inaugural speech. Sir.
Okay. Good morning to everybody. Good morning, respected Director, sir, HOD, and other faculty members and students. So thank you for welcoming me to your inaugural function. Now, I'll talk very briefly about robotics, AI, and control. And I'll talk about 30 minutes or 40 minutes only. Okay. So it will be very brief talk and introduction. Okay. So let me just share my slides. Yeah, please allow me to share the, yeah, okay. Yeah, can you see my slides?
One sec, sir.
Yeah, is my slide visible?
Manprakash, give the presenter role.
Sure, sir. Looking how to do it, sir.
Yeah, you just have to allow me to share my screen. Yeah, can you see my screen?